Um, Davao region is, of course, affected just like the other regions because we're also, sharing um, situations with the other counterparts, no? So, and it's not specific to Philippines, maraming affected. So, we are closely monitoring the different sectors, particularly coming from the accommodation, our MICE venues, our tour operators. So we've really seen numbers go down. But for this month of April, we've coordinated with our big venues. So far, no cancellations. Yung mga pre-book na mga conventions. May konting ano lang sa numbers of attendees, but tuloy yung mga conventions and conferences this month of April. So this is not just limited to one venue, no? We've asked other venues. So tuloy naman. So we're really happy to hear that. And we are hoping at this time, no, in this time, in the midst of this crisis, we're hoping that for tourism to continue because especially we know that many livelihoods depend sa mga tourism activities natin. So we're still hoping to, but prioritizing on the MICE, particularly on the business side. And of course, as for DOT, we will continue to roll out our trainings, capacity buildings, online presence, and recently we just came from Manado, so na-push through pa rin yun, and we are thankful. And validations for product development. So we'll still continue on with that.
Ma'am, you said earlier na may mga numbers na go down in terms of accommodation. May we know the figure, especially on the occupancy rate decline?
What I can share is that may cancellations of pre-book, for example, in hotels, may cancellations, mga group bookings, but meron naman ding nag-pursue. Ang na-notice natin, for example, Holy Week, yan yung talagang we see, no, na high ang volume, not as high as before, but meron pa naman ding movement. So, while manageable, we're still affected.
May mga ano po kayo, ginagawa kayo to beef up, especially our local tourism? Kasi nga, may mga hindi na nagbabiyahe because of the, number one, ticket cost, medyo tumaas.
So, as I've mentioned earlier, we still push with the MICE kasi yung business, kasi yung leisure sometimes it takes a backseat. Ganito na crisis. But for example, for the business, especially coming from the government, ng mga bookings, yun yung we encourage na sana they will still push through and continue with that. And for us, this is really the best time to do our validations, roll out our trainings, capacity buildings, and coordination with our LGUs as we monitor our LGUs and the different tourism sectors.
Last question for you, ma'am. What are your worries? Because the future is really uncertain. Padayon gihapon ang gera. So, what are your worries, especially in tourism?
The worry is that yung mag-layoff na tayo ng mga tourism workers, ma-affect yung livelihood ng ating mga communities. Yun yung worry. So, honestly, we take it at a quarter at a time, no? Yun yung aming tinitingnan. Even our decision-making in the rollout of our activities, we look at like 3 months in advance. Tingnan namin, should we pursue with this or not? But these worries, I'm sure, is shared by the whole industry. Really the livelihood, especially of yung mga community guides, the informal sector as well.
Ma'am, alright lang ma'am, no, itong before nga itong pagkasagsagan sa katong conflict dito sa atensyon sa Middle East, naisa kay airline diri sa Davao na nag-cease sila ang international flight. Right now ba nadugangan ba to?
Yes, so that's the first one, no? Yung Qatar is suspended, no? And then followed by the Bangkok route by Cebu Pacific. That ceased operation last April 13. And hopefully hanggang doon lang. So far, we've been monitoring the domestic. Ano pa naman din lahat? Open. operating.
So duha lang ka international flights.
Duha ka international
Yes.
so far.
So,
Holy Week, there were some routes, domestic, na nag-add sila ng flights during Holy Week. Understandably, kay maraming umuwi at nag-travel. And then back to the regular frequency. We've also monitored the Singapore route, nag-add ng frequency and then back na naman siya to normal. So it really depends sa volume ng guests coming in and going out. The airline adjusts their frequency.
will this affect our tourist arrival, atong target tourist arrival?
Yes, because these are warm bodies coming in. So kung nag-stop, bawas yon. Kasi in fact, we've been monitoring also yung mga foreign arrivals via Davao, Davao Airport. And these are connecting through our Singapore, Hong Kong, and Qatar, and Bangkok. Syempre yun, mababawas yun. For example, those who connect through, who use Doha, yung Qatar as their transit to enter Davao, wala yun for now. And then same thing with Bangkok. So that's why we are also very much into route development as well, yung DOT, It's because it's important for us to have more routes and of course supporting the existing ones. Kasi if we do not support that, baka mag-weekend and mag-cease operation, and that's what we do not want because these are people coming in and these are arrivals.
Route development meaning you are now, tawag nito, parang nakikipag-talk na kayo from other countries.
Okay, we don't do negotiations, but the Department of Tourism, our central office, we actually have a route development department. And may seat din ang DOT sa Civil
Board?
o Aeronautics Board. May seat din kami. So sila yon, the secretary, yun yung may seat doon. But for the region, we are encouraged to engage in route development. So this is through the Air Service Development Committee wherein members kami, ang mga different national agencies, and we work together with the Chamber of Commerce, the city government, para ma-discuss doon how we work together, marketing efforts and others, especially for the business chamber, how we can work together to support our existing routes, especially the international, but the same thing goes for the domestic. At the same time, how we engage also possibilities ng new routes, especially the key and strategic routes for us. So we're also looking at the Bimpiaga region.
Ano na lang yung mga natira natin na international flights po?
We had 4. So now ang active is the Hong Kong, Davao, and Singapore, Davao.
Other than that, ma'am, yan na.
Okay, kasi 4 man yun. We have the Doha, Davao, serviced by Qatar Airways, and Bangkok, Davao, serviced by Cebu Pacific. So yun suspended muna. Hopefully, babalik yan.
So only these 2 na lang?
Yes.
Okay, thank you po.